Yo, what's up? Dark Visor here. In this video I will talk about what motorcycles I want to try that I haven't already test ridden. Stay tuned, and because someone of my subscribers said that he wanted to see a video of where I'm riding in a town or something and talking, so this video is for you in the town. Okay, stay tuned, roll the intro, let's go. Okay, so what type of motorcycles? No, scratch that. Okay, so what motorcycles do I want to Okay, so what motorcycles do I want to ride that I haven't already tested? Well, the first is the Honda Gram. I don't know why, it just looks cool and seems like a fun bike, so that one I want to try. And most resellers, they don't have it in stock because apparently they don't sell that good anymore, so it's kind of hard to find one to test. And everyone is talking about this Hayabusa and how good it is, so apparently I'm supposed to to test that one also. I'm not really that interested in testing those sport motorcycles, you know, the where you are all lean forward and stuff. God damn it, sometimes it's hard to speak correctly. I must have been dropped as a child or something. Do you want to cross the street? Go ahead. Knock yourself out. Yeah, papa. Okay, so yeah, the Hayabusa. Yeah, I don't like those sports, well, the sport bikes. I don't like them that much. I think they're uncomfortable, and of course they ride fast and all that, but you know, riding fast isn't everything. So yeah, the Hayabusa, and of course the H2, the H2R, you know, the R1. I haven't tried the R1, which is basically the beefed up version of the MT10. What more? I want to try a trike motorcycle. They just seem so bananas, you know. It's a motorcycle with 3 wheels. And of course, a Boss Haas trike now, that would be awesome. I know they exist because they make those, but yeah, I want to try that. A trike, doesn't matter what trike, if it's like a Yamaha or Harley Davidson or whatever, just 3 wheels and an engine. Yeah, fuck the stop sign. I don't care, I'm a gangster. Well, now we're not in the city anymore. See, I heard them. I bet those kids like the rev match. Well, aren't you retarded? Did you drop your wheel? Centrum, let's go to the Centrum. Make it a turn. Okay, so what more? We have the R1, we have the Hayabusa, we have the H2R, we have the Basas, we have a trike, we have the Gram. Oh yeah, yes, Honda CBR. I don't know the correct name now, but yeah, you know, the Honda CB1000. The old one, the four cylinder, you know, the bike that sounds like an F1 car basically. I hear that they are very heavy and not really that awesome to ride, you know, but still would be cool. Cool for the school. Swedish match. This is where they make the Swedish schnauzen. What more motorcycle? What more? I'm sorry, I have to think right now. I don't know. I do not know. I can't think of any more specific motorcycles to test right now. Do you have any specific motorcycle that you want to test? Which one is it? Why don't you comment and let me know? I want to try more motocross enduro bikes. Yeah, I want to ride on a motocross track or something with a motocross bike and jump around and stuff. Here we have a bike. Let's have a look. What is it? What's the bike? Triumph Sprint ST 1050. Okay. Hello. I'm wondering if someone was sitting there watching me wave. I wasn't waving at them, I was waving at you. At you. Come on, cross the street. Yeah, no worry. I'm just messing with you. Oh, hello. Hey. It's funny. It's fun to wave to people. Especially when they're staring at you like, who are you? What are you doing here? Okay, so I have a question for you. What motorcycle would you like to watch me test ride the most? Like, I want you to comment and say like, hey Dark Visor, I would like to see you test ride this specific motorcycle. If you do so, I will give you a cookie or something like that. No, we're not supposed to speed. Good boy. But yeah, so I don't know how long this video will be, but it felt kind of short, so thank you all for watching. And I just totally remembered now that I forgot to present the Dark Visor Motor Remember in another video. Well, screw it. Okay, bye bye.